Hello, me fixing everything. Because there is always something to be fixed today. I'll be trying to install a wiper on a old car. I bought the backlit second hand and there was no wiper arm in place because it got snapped. Usually what happens in any brand, it doesn't matter if it's Opel, Volkswagen, Toyota, anything, when you try to remove it and it's 20 years old, the aluminium or whatever it's the material here oxidizes to the metal rod on the mechanism, and the whole thing gets together. So I'll try to remove this thing here, and in order to do that, I think the best choice will be to use an angle grinder. So it will need a little bit more persuasion, I think. Oh no, it's okay. Now you can see. I'm sure. Okay. So what we're gonna do now? Second hand arm. I recommend buying a new one. Second hand costs almost as much as new one, so maybe wipe here. Or just like that. And we'll need to choose a bolt first. Maybe this one. Nice big bolt. And I think we should give it a try. Huh? Did it work? Oh no, why are you here? Okay. Very good. Another try. Oh, it's too long, huh? And it's hitting into that thing. Oh, so long. Okay, no problem. Unfortunately, I don't have a smaller wiper, so I need to go and buy one. But you get the idea. And I'll remove that thing. Otherwise, if you leave it on, by the time you drive, you can just knock it with your finger and it's gonna scratch the whole thing. So make sure you get a wiper first, the correct size. 3 inches was the shortest wiper and was still reaching up to here maybe. So what I did is I chopped off the length up to here, and I just put a shorter wiper, so it works perfectly fine. It reaches right here, so it's good. Not very beautiful, but when you see the car, it's good. Brilliant. I hope this video helps you. Bye bye.